Hi guys, and especially to the YouTubers. Here we have gathered to have a casual conversation, and this conversation is being done in the campus of Azim's classes. And here we are, the students, the contestant. You can say whatever you want to say. The first person who is sitting here and have to answer all the queries, and the quiz person they would be. So let me introduce first the person who is sitting right here. What's your name?
My name is Tausif.
Tausif, oh my god, what a good name. And you have to do all the things here. You have to rock this function.
Yes.
This is maybe called a function because it is looking like a function. So may I know your self-introduction?
Well, I am Vishal Suman.
Right, Vishal.
I am Uzma Iqbal.
Usma Iqbal, what a good name.
I am Farhan.
Farhan, look at this person, how young he is. Well done.
My name is Shahani.
Shahani, one of the best students of this coaching.
My name is Zeba.
Zeba and Zeba too. These are the record breakers here.
My name is Ashish
Ashish
Srivastava.
Srivastava, he has been also very good students. And one thing I want to add here, that the batch is still going on. The batch is not finished. Almost about 1.5 months is still to go. And they have performed really well. And you will see in a video that will be uploaded shortly. And you will find that what's going on in the batch and how good the students are. So without any delay, I would like to start. I would like to open the house for the question to Mr. Tausif. So let's give a big hand for this fantastic conversation. Big hand for this. Thank you very much. Thank you. Enjoy the question session.
Shall we start, guys?
Of course.
Are you ready, bro?
Yeah, I am ready, dear.
So my first question is, may I know your good name, please?
Well, my name is Tausif.
Sorry.
It's Tausif Akbar.
Wow, nice name.
Thank you.
Okay, Tausif, just tell me, do you know what is the meaning of your name?
The meaning of my name is praiseworthy.
Wow.
Thank you.
Well, Tausif, I want to know who named you?
My grandfather named me.
Oh, grandfather.
Yeah.
Nice.
Do you want to change your name in future?
Of course not. I am quite satisfied with this name.
Well, Tausif, everybody has many names like Chintu, Mintu, Bablu, Tinku. So, do you have any pet name?
Fortunately, I don't have any pet name.
Fortunately or unfortunately?
Fortunately.
Oh.
As we know very well that nowadays all people are using smartphones, so I want to know you have also smartphone?
Of course, I do use smartphone.
Of which brand do you use?
I use Samsung.
What's the cost of your mobile?
The cost of my phone is 14,000.
But Tausif, nowadays many phones are available, just like Realme, Oppo, Redmi, and so on. But why you choose Samsung phones?
Because I think Samsung is a trustworthy brand.
But I think Realme is also a trustworthy brand.
See, I don't have any personal grudge with Realme, Oppo and other phones, but I personally prefer Samsung.
Gone are those days when people use Samsung phone. Nowadays people use OnePlus, Apple's phones.
Oh, don't talk about OnePlus and Apple. You know that how costly those phones are. You know that we all are students. How can we afford? And even if I ask from my parents, they will kick me out.
Yeah.
Now, see, one question get left. I want to know that what is your age?
My age is 18 years old.
Oh, really? Are you 18 years old? But you don't look like 18 years old.
Are you kidding me? How can you say this?
Okay, just tell me, do you have any proof?
Of course, I can show you my birth certificates.
Oh, come on. Nowadays, birth certificate can make fake. Okay, it can be at any cost. So how can you prove it?
Maybe some of are fakes, but not all of them. I can show you my matriculate certificates. I can show you my intermediate certificates. Even the university has been provided me the certificates. Then how can all of them can be fake?
You mean to say that you have given your certificates in all educational fields?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, Tausif, let's move forward on another question.
Yeah, carry on.
Do you use, you know that nowadays people are crazy behind the social sites. So I want to know that, do you use social sites?
Yeah, I do use.
Which app do you use most in social sites?
I use Twitter most.
What is
No, I do use Facebook and WhatsApp too, but I use Twitter most.
Okay. What do you do on Twitter?
On Twitter, I just try to connect with the famous personalities, politicians, business tycoons, and philosophers, scholars. I just like to know. I just like to know about them. I just like to see their comments, see their views on some big issues. You know, Twitter is a place where you can learn so many things. You can learn new things on Twitter.
Okay, Tausif, let's move forward and get some special question. You know that nowadays youngsters and all the people are crazy behind foods. You know, so I want to know that what is your favorite food?
Oh man, you asked a mouth-washing question.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
As you know, there are many types of foods like Afghani chicken, like butter chicken, matar paneer,
Now
butter
my
masala.
mouth is watering.
I can understand, but you should control yourself. And chicken biryani is also one of them.
If we talk about non-vegetarian food items, so there are many non-vegetarian food items like kebab, mutton korma, and so on. So why do you like only chicken biryani?
I don't tell that. I don't tell this. I don't like these foods. But you know, your question was, which is your favorite food? Which is my favorite food? That is why I tell you that I like chicken biryani most.
As you told that your favorite food is chicken biryani. So just tell me, Tausif,
What is? Do you know how to cook chicken biryani?
Actually, I don't know how to cook, but if I will try, I can make it. But you know, bro, there is no food. There is no food in the world tastier than the food made by the mother's hand.
I agree with you.
That is why I let my mother cook this delicious food.
And Tausif, for this type of food, which type of restaurant do you want to go?
See, as you know, there are many types of restaurants in our city, like Sumain 19, like Al Chef, Fabio Nation, Grand Biryani Mahal, and so on. But you know, for chicken dishes, I prefer Grand Biryani because chicken there is very tasty.
Tausif, really, I want a party super soon from you.
Yeah, of course, bro.
Okay, Tausif, just let's move forward. Next question. Okay, just tell me, which marriage do you like most, love or arrange?
I like arranged marriage most.
Well, Tausif, is there any reason for arranged marriage?
I think arranged marriage is a marriage where marriage formed by the consent of all of our family's members, by all of our choice, but by all of them.
Yeah, you're right. Society too.
Yeah, and society also accept arranged marriage.
Yeah.
But there is not an issue that society doesn't accept love marriage.
How can you say that? You know, in most of the love marriage cases, people just try to apart those couples. They do everything so that those couples get apart. How can you say that the society accept it?
But suppose you want to do love marriage, then you can convince your parents, you can convince your society. You have no need to take anything from the society. You choose your personal life.
Of course I can, but you know, I don't have that much guts to ask to convince my parents and ask them to let me marry from this girl. You know, so I prefer arranged marriage. And you know, in arranged marriage, the divorce cases are too much.
How can you say that? If we talk about love marriage and arrangement, both marriages are included divorce cases.
You know, when you check the facts, when you check the reports issued by the government, you will see that 95% of the cases of divorce comes from the love marriage,
Yeah.
and only 5% of them are from the arranged marriage. So you can't, and if you see the ratio is very, very dangerous. Love marriage divorce cases are too much.
It means, Tausif, you are totally against love marriage.
I'm not totally against of love marriage, but I prefer arranged marriage.
Okay. Okay, Tausif, let's move forward. And I want to know that which is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Independence Day.
Oh,
But
that's
Toss-
all of us favorite.
Yeah, I know that.
But toss it, Deepavali and Dasara is not your favorite festival?
I
And Eid
don't-
also.
I don't say that, but Independence Day is a festival when our country got independence.
For all the
You know,
religion.
there is nothing better than independence. You can't celebrate Eid, Diwali, any festival without independence, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're right.
I'm supporting.
Yes, you're right.
Independence is the basic right. Freedom is the basic right